Hello, my name's Roshanne Bottomley, and I'm the new Director of Nursing for Backbone Services. Some of you will remember me from my clinical roles that I've had in RDaSH over the last 16 years, most recently working in the liaison psychiatry team as a nurse consultant in the North Lincolnshire and Talking Therapies Care Group. I want to start off by saying thank you to the people that I've worked alongside throughout my nursing career in RDaSH. I've learned something from each and every one of you, and I carry that learning with me now into my new role. Now, I know some people will be wondering what backbone services are. So whilst we have our 5 clinical care groups, we also have the Trustwide backbone services. These support clinical teams within our care groups. So this includes our safeguarding team, which now incorporates the Mental Capacity Act, the infection control team, the health and safety team, our practice development matron and our RI lead, who oversees the clinical effectiveness team, the CQC lead and the resource lead. And then most recently, we have the addition of our facilities team. You'll also find our patient experience team, promises lead, and our soon-to-be safe staffing lead led by Paula Rylett. Part of my role as the Nurse Director in Backbone Services is to oversee these functions and ensure that we, as an organisation, are delivering high quality and safe care to the people that we serve. One way in which we plan to do that is to deliver on our new quality and safety plan. This is an important commitment to delivering safe care, which is what we expect to deliver all of the time. We will do this through our use of always measures and safety metrics. For example, delivering person-centred care to people admitted into our hospitals, and by delivering on our 4-week maximum wait in line with Promise 14. As we continue to work hard in delivering on our always measures and safety metrics, we need feedback from people using our services to ensure that we are improving and never worsening people's experience of care. We want to protect what people tell us they value, whilst improving how we work to best meet the needs of our communities. So far, over 1,300 stories have been heard from people accessing our services. A number of these have led to change, whilst others have reinforced what we do well and highlighted some of the incredible staff that we've got working here. If you do access any of our services, please give us your feedback. You can do that by visiting the link shown at the bottom of the page. One of my passions in this new role is to enhance the link between corporate nursing and our clinical teams. For example, sharing and embedding Trustwide learning. So if learning's identified in Rotherham, how do we evidence this in Doncaster? Likewise, if we have an excellent practice in one area, how do we share that wider? I was recently invited to the Physical Health and Neurodiversity Care Group Quality Meeting in July, and could see the positive learning outcomes that Catherine and her teams had evidenced, and we discussed the next steps for sharing that learning trustwide, and the practical application of our learning. I would strongly suggest that if you're working in an area that wants to explore how the PSERV process can be embedded, then reach out to Catherine Bebb. Another area that I'm dedicated to is ensuring the voices of our staff are heard. One way to do this is through our professional nurse advocates, or PNAs. As the Trust Lead for Professional Nurse Advocacy, I intend to continue the work that we've done over the last few years, enhancing the ability for nursing staff to access a professional nurse advocate who is able to facilitate restorative supervision and support the development of quality improvement initiatives. We currently have 24 PNAs across the organisation, and we aim to have another 38 to meet the national requirement of 1 to 20. If you're a qualified nurse and have an interest in providing restorative supervision to staff, you can email the Trust PNA inbox for more information. We're also expecting that this will be expanding beyond nursing through the rollout of the professional advocate, so keep an eye out for that one. To end, I want to say a huge welcome to our new rotation of resident doctors. Welcome to RDaSH. I hope you enjoy your time with us and that you learn from the years of knowledge that surround you and you get the most out of your placement with us.